All right, so we are a WD40 ambassador. So basically what that means to me and what it means to you guys is I'm gonna have some product to give away at a certain point. I do have a little bit of product that we are gonna work on giving a little bit of it away. And this is not a paid video or any of that type of stuff. WD40 did send me some product. You can see up on the shelf here, all those products there, they're up on the top shelf. They did send all that stuff to me to use, try out. A lot of these products I had used or have been using. So I do greatly appreciate them sending those products to me. But I do want you guys to get some of these products because I want to help you guys out. So, and they said that they were willing to do some of that stuff. So we are going to do some packages of stuff, whether it be, I don't know, probably a few different spray cans or something like that. And it'll be a random giveaway at a certain point. I'll talk more about that later. I contacted WD40 because I used WD40 products. And basically what I wanted was a banner. And when I got talking to a couple different people over there over the last couple of years, we have, now that I'm a brand ambassador, which exactly what that means, I honestly don't know exactly. But I would imagine if it's an ambassador like any other at some point, you know, you guys have seen, I've done some different videos and stuff. Those videos are not paid. They just give me the products. These products I do use. So if you see me and I'm talking about the product, I do use these products. If I think they're no good, I will tell you they're no good because I'm not like that. It's just one of those things. Yes, some companies have 100 different products and some of their products are no good. All of the products that I've used from WD40, they do exactly what they say they're supposed to do, and then sometimes more. Some products aren't as good as they used to be, but that has nothing to do, that's just across the board with, you know, the environment and all that jazz. You know, products don't work as good as they used to. So, and especially in Canada, there's a lot of stuff that in the States you guys can still get, I can't get anymore. I can't even buy good carb cleaner anymore, like the stuff you would put in the pail. Can't even buy that anymore. And then they also have me set up with the tester side of things. So they will be sending me new products, asking about maybe making, you know, helping design new products, that type of stuff. So anyways, so these be some of that coming up. So I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about that as far as, you know, when you see, obviously you guys have seen me using WD-40 products, but you see the sign, the banner in the back, and I actually would really like them to send me a big sticker if they have any. I'm going to talk to them about it, or another little banner, because I would like to put a banner on that oil bench. As you guys can see, we move some stuff around. I want to put a sticker on that oil bench right there. So, or something, I don't know, maybe it won't be a WD-40 sticker. It could be a different company. I am not sponsored by FlowPro. It's just that I use their products. If you're watching, I would like to be sponsored. But I do use their products. That's the exhaust that we use. So I think that'll be it for this video. I just wanted to talk a little bit about it because I want to deal with companies that, one, want to work with people and obviously work with me and have good products. And that is one thing with WD-40. I've never had a problem with their products. Is there some products that are better than other products? Of course. But, you know, it's just one of those things. I've used a bunch of different products. I know lots of people like PB Blaster and they like Kroll oil, I think it's called. I've used PB Blaster. It does work, but so does the WD-40 product. Works as good as well. And then same with the Kroll oil. It works as good as these products. So it's a personal preference more than anything. I just like WD-40. It's one thing for us in Canada is that a lot of that stuff is harder to get. WD-40 and WD-40 products, 3-in-1 products, that type of stuff, you basically can buy everywhere. You can buy it at any hardware store, any parts place, any of that type of stuff. So that is one nice thing. Availability and price. The price is good on it, but availability for me, lots of times, if I know this product works, I want to continue to use that product because I can go and grab it if I need it. I know it works. So anyways, like, subscribe, hit me down in the comments. And if you have something that you would like to sponsor, there will be my email in the description if you want to talk about sponsoring the channel. So we'll catch you guys on the next one. And remember, it's not rocket science.